So in the last video, I showed you how to use Pinterest in order to perfect your style. So if you haven't seen that, I highly recommend checking that out because you're gonna need it in order to follow the next series of videos, because this is how I've been able to declutter my life and perfect my life during this quarantine. So today we're gonna focus on bags. I was hesitant about posting this video first because I thought, okay, well, shit, like we're talking about style and everything. Why wouldn't I go to clothes first? But really, if you're focusing on your Pinterest board and trying to find things according to what the board looks like, it really doesn't matter where you start because it's still gonna make sense either way. And in my real life, I'm decluttering bags right now and I need to get them out because I want them out. So I'm gonna film this video and post it for you guys first. So bags, before you start getting declutter happy on your bags and putting a pin in Pinterest, think about your lifestyle first. What do you carry in your bags? Like, what do you absolutely need on you, and what is your lifestyle like? Do you carry more things than other people do? Do you carry less things? Because that's going to dictate the type of bag that you should have in your arsenal. The second thing that you want to think about is what type of event are you going to, or what are you doing that day? You know, are you going shopping real quick at the store just because you forgot something, you're gonna go real quick? Or are you gonna be shopping all day? Or are you gonna be going to an event, you're gonna be gone from your house all day and you need to carry specific items? That bag is gonna be dictated by what you're doing. Those are two things to keep in mind when you're decluttering. So don't get rid of everything so that you don't have any options. Just get rid of the stuff that doesn't fit those categories perfectly. I recommend grabbing everything that you need to keep in your bags and then putting it in front of you so that you can physically see every item. That way you know whether it's gonna fit in your bags or not. Once you have all of your shit in front of you, you're gonna go to your Pinterest board and you're gonna take note of all of the bags that you see and every single pin that you've pinned in your board, and you're gonna see the types of bags that go along with the style that you've created for yourself. And that's very important because when you have a bag that fits the style, your overall look becomes effortless because you don't have to think about it, and then you've created that epic wardrobe. So as I'm scrolling through my Pinterest page, I'm seeing that a lot of the bags are crossbody. They're little backpacks, they're structured bags. And I'm also noting the color. And that's something to also keep in mind when it comes to your bags. Like if you just want that simple capsule wardrobe and you want something that goes with everything, keep in mind, what does your Pinterest board look like and what do the bags look like? Are they all similar colored? If they are, that's the color bag that you need, and that's the color bag you should have in order to create that overall image. Behind me, I have 16 bags that I would like to get down to 8. That would be nice. So let's try that now. We're gonna get started with this big tote bag. Now it's a Gwen Stefani bag that I've had forever. It's obviously old and I can't sell it because it's so used. I have someone who already wants my bags, so that's not an issue here, but that's gonna get annoying after a while, right? I never use this out in public. This is the type of bag that would be an all-day bag, but does it fit the color scheme in my Pinterest board? No, it's super loud, which is fine, but that's already one thing. That's a point off. It doesn't fit the color scheme and it won't go with every single outfit that I wear. Also, point number 2 that gets taken off, it's not a shoulder bag. This is going to drive me nuts. Holding this like this, it's gonna drive me nuts. Who holds big tote bags like this? I'm not doing this, no. So because of that, I'm gonna say no to this bag because it has 2 features, big ones, that do nothing for me. Next, I have this Betsy Johnson clutch bag. Super duper adorable. It's got this gold metallic feature. It's kind of got that punk rock vibe to it in a way. Does this fit the overall aesthetic? Yes. But you know what it's not? A crossbody bag. I have to hold it like this. How annoying is that to be at a store holding this while I'm trying to, it's not gonna work. And that's why I never use this bag because I end up having to hold it. I've taken this on events a couple of times, but when I was at the event, I was annoyed because I had to keep holding my bag. Even doing this sucks. So for that reason, I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this bag because again, I don't want that little back thought of irritation in my life. It just drags you down. So bye, Betsy Johnson. You were cute for the moment that you lasted. There are things about this bag that I know would bother me, I'm gonna get rid of this one too. This bag is thebomb.com. I use it constantly, and because it's hands-free, so I can use it as a backpack, dun, I'm keeping that. I'm switching sides on you because I can. So this is gonna go with every outfit because it is black, yay. But this is also a pretty basic backpack, right? So if I wanna go out with the backpack but be kind of cute and a little elevated, I have something like it, but that's fun. This bag, I looked at my closet, it goes with every outfit. It is beautiful. And every time I look at it, it makes me so happy. So I'm keeping this bag. What? What is going to fit in this bag? Maybe once upon a time when iPhones used to be the size of our palm. This was my first expensive purchase from Nordstrom. This tiny Tokidoki Lee Sportsack bag was $88. I have to struggle to put my phone in it now because iPhones are so big. They were never this big, so I could like stick my phone and my wallet and my keys and my lip gloss and I'm out the door. But Lana, goodbye. Another bag that I used to wear all the time, and now it's so dingy and just unraveling. It's starting to just fall apart, and honestly, it's a shoulder bag. It's time for it to go. It's past its prime. So thank you so much. I love you so much. Goodbye. I got this for free. Now let's talk about promotional items, shall we? Just because something is free, it doesn't mean that you take it. Just because they're giving away something, it doesn't mean you keep it. Give it to somebody who really needs it. Do you see what I'm saying? Don't harbor it. For what? Is this a crossbody? No. Does it fit my Pinterest? No. Does it hold everything that I need to keep on my person? No. So why am I keeping it? It was free. Let it go. I remember buying this. I remember being so excited. Look at this blue shine to this awesome leopard print rock and roll tote bag. It's already falling off and I didn't have to do anything. That drives me nuts. I thank you for being adorable. I'm gonna miss this blue, but you know what though? I'm gonna find a bag one day that's going to be the bag of my dreams. This is not the bag of my dreams. Fanny pack. I did see a fanny pack in one of my Pinterest photos and I use this constantly. This is my to-go bag. I will open this up, put my phone in, my wallet in, my lip gloss in, and then I just crossbody the bag, and it is easy for me to be hand-free. So this one is a 100% keep. It's so cute. I know, I bought it because it was so cute. I've had it for 7 years. I've used it twice. I don't even need to justify this. This is staying. This is my going out bag right now. To me, this is adorable. This is fun. I'm keeping this guy because this is what I wear. Usually when I go to events, I'm wearing a pretty solid color. It's usually black. Very basic, very clean. And so I usually have this bag to be loud. I have shoes that match this bag, which is probably a faux pas now to match your shoes to your bag. Is that? I'm not sure. I don't care. But this is my nice bag for now. So technically, I don't need to go shopping. See what I'm saying? And this is my recent addition to my collection. I saw this at Marshall's and I fell in love with just how soft this bag is. It is like a leather-like material. It's not leather, but it has straps here, but it also has this shoulder crossbody thing. And I like how this bag sits against my body. It doesn't look, because it's so soft, it sort of curves to my body a little bit. So that's kind of cool. It fits everything that I need inside of it. My bullet journal, my water bottle, and it has a little bit of structure inside of it, or just organization inside of it. So I really liked that, and I went, this is perfect because it also goes with everything that I wear. Because everything that I wear is either black or it's an army green or whatever. This isn't exactly the dark color, but I think when it comes to color, that's probably one of the things you can play with when it comes to your bag. So I found my everyday tote that really works with everything. So now that I've used my Pinterest board to help me get rid of my bags, was I able to get rid of 50%? Yes, I went from 16 bags to 6 because I kept in mind my Pinterest board, my needs, and my lifestyle. And I don't have that much clutter anymore, and it is so refreshing to get rid of the stuff that's been weighing me down. Because I'm satisfied with what I have, I'm gonna shop less. So I hope that you guys learned a little something in this video, and if you liked my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me. And if you want to support me as a content creator, send me a coffee by clicking the coffee link below in the description box. Coffees are like my tips for giving you tips on how to live and love your life. And it's pretty dope if you send me one. So I will see you all soon. I'm not sure what video I'm going to do next, whether it be clothing or jewelry. Now, I do know this is going to bring up more questions like, okay, so I've gotten rid of stuff, but where do I shop and how do I not go over my budget and stuff? Let's worry about shopping later. Let's not spend any money just yet. Let's just focus on getting rid of the shit in our house that's making us unhappy, because it's not doing us any good harboring all of that stuff, right? So we're gonna focus on this right now, and then we're gonna perfect our lifestyle a little bit later. So I will see you all very soon, and till the next video. Bye.